Good morning, second graders. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson. So let's go ahead and share my screen. Pull up our slideshow. Okay, so today is October the 14th, and I am here for your math lesson. So let's get started. Our learning target today is that the students will use expanded form to decide which of two three-digit numbers is larger. Okay, so Brian's family went on a trip. On Monday, they drove 321 miles. On Tuesday, they drove 275 miles. Which day did they drive farther? Okay, so as you can see, I have put 321, which is the amount of miles they drove on Monday. And I put it into expanded form, which means I've taken out the hundreds and I've put it here. Remember, this 3 in the hundreds place means 300, means 3 groups of 100. This 2 in the tens place means 2 groups of 10 or 20. And the 1 in the ones place, of course, means 1. Then on Tuesday, they drove 275 miles. I put the number 275 here, and that equals 200 in the hundreds place, 70 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. Again, the 2 in the hundreds place means 200. The 7 in the tens place means 70, and the 5 in the ones place means 5. Now, how can expanded form help us to compare these numbers? Okay, and where do we start comparing? So, the expanded form helps us to see which number is larger by comparing each place value independently. So, we always start with the hundreds place because if we see that one has more hundreds than the other, we immediately know that that number must be larger because hundreds is the largest place that we are looking at. So here, this number has 300 and this number only has 200. So right away, we can tell that 321 is larger because it has 300 instead of 200, or a 3 in the hundreds place instead of a 200, okay? Or a 2, I'm sorry. So if these two numbers had been the same, we would have had to have gone to the tens place to see which one had a higher number in the tens place. Again, remember, the 3 in this number means 300, okay? So we immediately know that this number is bigger than this number because 300 is larger than 200. What if we were given the expanded form and we were asked to find the standard form of the number? Okay, so give me a moment to get my pen. All right, so now we're given the expanded form and we want to find the standard form, okay? So we see that we have 400. Well, 400 is the same as a 4 in the hundreds place. 70 is the 7 in the tens place. And 2, of course, is a 2 in the ones place, okay? So remember, 400 is 4 groups of 100. 70 is 7 groups of 10, and 2 would be 2 ones. Here we have 5 groups of 100 or 500. We have 4 groups of 10 or 40, right? And now, we have 14 in the ones place. We can't have 14 in the ones place. So I better get my eraser and erase this. And Ms. Fogelman's going to use her text box now. Okay, so we still have the 5 groups of 100. So here's 5. Now we have 4 groups of 10 or 40, but we also have this group of 10 right here. So what do we need to do? Ms. Fogelman needs to erase that. Okay, so we have our 5 for the hundreds place. Now we need to take this group of 10 because we can't have that group of 10 in the ones place. We're going to have to take that group of 10 and bring it over, which gives us not 4 groups of 10, but 5 groups of 10. Now, once we've moved this group of 10 over here, we only have 4 ones left. So it's 554. All right, we'll continue to work on this, but I wanted to share this with you today so that you could get your seesaw work done. Have a great day. Make sure you're getting that work done, and I will see you soon.